Hello, I'm back and today I'm gonna show you how to cook the Filipino pork adobo. The ingredients are very simple, but this time I'm gonna cook my pork adobo in my own way. First, I'm gonna boil the pork, okay, and wait till are tender, okay, and I'm gonna add some pepper balls, okay, and also bay leaves, okay, and I will come back later when they are already tender. Okay, we're gonna open and prick, okay. The pork is very tender, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this, okay. Turn off the fire and remove right away the pork from the water, okay. I have here my chili, and that's only cut up the head, and they are like that, okay, slice into small. And then I have here a big onion and 2 garlic, okay. So I will come back and show you my way of cooking the adobo. I have here 1 big onion, okay. So just remove this, okay. Into half. Okay. And then set it here. There you are. I have here a kind of pineapple. I'm gonna use the juice and slice the pineapple meat into small pieces, okay. Okay, I have here my chilies and 2 pieces of garlic. Smash the garlic together with the chili, okay. So this is how it looks like. Perfect, okay. We're gonna slice this pepper into small pieces. Now we will start cooking the adobo, okay. Gonna add some olive oil, okay. There you are. And now we'll wait till the oil is hot. Now we're gonna add the mint, garlic and chili, okay. We're gonna infuse the garlic and the chili to the oil, okay. Then what else? I'm gonna add my my camera stop. So after I add the green pepper, I add the sliced onion. You see? Now I'm gonna add the pork, okay? There you are. Then gonna season it with the soy sauce, okay? That is not much. You can adjust the flavor later, okay? Now, I'm gonna add the water, the juice from the pineapple, okay? And also, I'm gonna add some vinegar, okay? Okay. Now, instead of sugar, I will use honey, okay? To give a sweet flavor. You can use sugar if you like, brown sugar or white sugar. But I prefer honey, okay? Now I'm gonna add chicken bouillon, okay? To enhance more the flavor, okay? I'll just let the pork simmer, okay? And the juice should be reduced, okay? You should not add water because I've already added the juice from the pineapple. Now, the water is reduced, okay? Or the sauce is reduced. You're gonna taste. Oh, fantastic. You can taste the flavor of salty from the soy sauce and also the flavor from the vinegar and the honey. And this time I'm gonna add the pineapple, okay? So that's it. And I'm gonna serve it, okay? So, turn off the fire. And I'm gonna serve it, okay? That's it. And this is how I serve it. Turn that in. Yeah. Okay. So, thanks for watching my video. And bon appetit. I hope you like my video. I have here boiled egg. There you are. Some pineapple on top. Okay. And I'm gonna top it parsley and my baby, okay, as a decoration. So that's folks. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit. Cannot taste. It's very, very soft. You can serve it with rice, okay? A steamed rice or fried rice. Perfect. Thanks for watching.